All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. And treat everyone to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone, guys, my happiness. Jai Hind.
Happy morning to all. Today's national and international news is brought to you by P. Charishma Reddy of Junior 10 Jasper. International news. It is crucial to resume talks with Tamil Nadu counterparts, say Northern Sri Lankan fishing community leaders. Israel launches another raid on Gaza's main hospital, charging that Hamas has regrouped there. National news. Election Commission orders removal of Home Secretaries in 6 states. Bengal DGP. Former Maharashtra CM Ashok Chavan responds to Rahul Gandhi's crying leader remark. Thank you. Have a good day.
This is Abhinav from Junior 10 Jasper, here to share today's state and sport news. State news. IMD issues yellow alert for thunderstorms in Telangana. Telangana Governor Tamilisai Soundararajan resigns, likely to contest Lok Sabha polls. Sports news. KL Rahul declared fit for IPL, set to join Lucknow Super Giants in next 2 days. Thank you.
Today's weather report is brought to you by Mouth of Junior 10 Jasper. Weather report. Maximum temperature 38 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 28 degrees Celsius. Partly cloudy. Humidity 63%. Wind speed 10 km per hour. Thank you.
Thought is brought to you by Meenakshi of Junior 10 Jasper. Thought. Success is when your hard work is bigger than your dreams. I'll repeat my thought. Success is when your hard work is bigger than your dreams. Thank you.
Today's word is brought to you by Saiti of Junior 10 Jasper. Word. Pernicious. It means having a very harmful or evil effect on somebody. Friends, please spell after me. Pernicious. 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 Thank you.
Today's GK questions are brought to you by G. Vishal Sir from Junior 10 Jasper. Question for grade 6. The member of Rajya Sabha are elected by whom? I repeat my question. The member of Rajya Sabha are elected by whom? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is member of Legislative Assembly. Question for grade 7. Who has right to form a new state or change the boundary? I repeat my question. Who has a right to form a new state or change the boundary? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Parliament. Question for grade 8. Who was the first Vice President of India? I repeat my question. Who was the first Vice President of India? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 9. Who is the constitutional head of the Government of India? I repeat my question. Who is the constitutional head of the Government of India? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is President. Open questions for all. Which union territory has a high court on its own? I repeat my question. Which union territory has a high court on its own? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Delhi. Total number of high courts in India are
Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is 24. Let us appreciate them. Thank you. I am Nandini of Junior 10 Jasper, here to say you current affairs. Trinatra APP 2.0 aims to revolutionize policing in Uttar Pradesh. Vladimir Putin set to assume sixth term as Russian president after landslide victory. Devin AL, world's first fully autonomous AL software engineer unveiled. Rahul Singh appointed as new CBSE chief. India's first oil palm processing unit commenced in Arunachal Pradesh. Thank you, and the article will be continued by my friend Pranav Kumar.
Happy morning, everyone. Today's article on billiards game is brought to you by Pranav Kumar of Junior 10 Jasper. Billiards, any of various games played on a rectangular table with a designated number of balls and a long stick called cue. The table and the consonant rail boarding the table are topped with a felt-like tight-fitting cloth cannon or French. Billiards is played with 3 balls on the table that has no pockets. The other principal games are played on tables that have 6 pockets, 1 at each corner and 1 in each of the long sides. These games include English billiards, played with 3 balls, snooker played with 21 balls and a cue ball. A pocket billiards or pool played with 15 balls and a cue ball. There are numerous varieties of each game, particularly of carom and pocket billiards. Thank you.
Artist in Hyderabad, transformed state set joins Sunrising Hyderabad ahead of IPL 2024. Injured nightmare over Mirabai just Paris Olympics. Thank you. Yes, National News is brought to you by G. Damodaran from Koran. National News. PM was mega road sala in Karnataka. Elections Commission moved home secretaries of 6 states. Thank you. Next, my friend Viresh will come. The report is brought to you by Timanis from Koran. Weather report. Maximum temperature 38 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 34 degrees Celsious. Thank you. You by Jesse from Koran. Thought. You are the driver of your own life. Do not let anyone steal your seat. Thank you. Have a wonderful Tuesday. I am from Koran. Today my word is listen. 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 Friends, please spell after me. Listen. 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 Which means to pay attention to somebody or
Dolumani, the students are going up. Call them down.
or something to order to hear. Thank you. From grade 3 Koran for grade 1. How many planets are there? Yes, your answer is right and the answer is right. Let us appreciate him. Question for grade 2. Which is the 5th largest planet in the solar system? New Delhi. Sorry, your answer is incorrect and the answer is Earth. Question for grade 3. By which dwarf planet Pluto lost its status? Mikey. Yes, your answer is right and the answer is Mikey. Let us appreciate him. Question for grade 4. How far is the Earth from Sun? I repeat again. How far is the Earth from Sun? Sorry, you are not able to answer my question. And the answer is 152 million kilometers. Question for grade 5. Which object divides inner and outer planets? Asteroid belt. Yes, your answer is right. And the answer is asteroid belt. Let us appreciate you. Open question for all. Which planet is known as Titan? I repeat it again. Which planet is known as Titan? Jupiter. Sorry, your answer is incorrect and the answer is Saturn. Thank you.